Time now for another episode of Farrell's Bluff. My name is Wayne Farrell, and I wanted to show you my gravity water system for my primitive river camp, my off-grid river camp. We start out by catching rainwater off this travel trailer roof. I've got three 55-gallon drums. We've had a lot of rain lately, and I don't know if you can see the water in there, but everything's full right now. And Memorial Day, it rained so much I was able to fill up this 275-gallon tote tank. So we use a generator and a submersible pump like that one. You put a garden hose on there and put it down inside one of the barrels and run the garden hose up to this 159-gallon tote tank I've got on the tower and pump it in there. Then the gravity system runs down. Gravity water runs down here to a cold shower, and it's enough of an elevation difference that it actually is pretty forceful. That's just a garden hose nozzle. You can see there it says cold. So there's the cold shower, which can be pretty cold even at 90 degrees sometimes. Then I decided I wanted to have pressure water to my travel trailer. So I tapped into the line here, and valve there came down to this pump that I just happened to have, and I wasn't doing anything with it. And then I ran it through a check valve, and this makes sure that the water only goes this way. Because when you pump up pressure in this tank, you know, it would push it back up to the water gravity tank. But the check valve only lets it go one way. And so then I've also got a pressure gauge. And I usually pump it up to about 50 pounds per square inch. And then there's a relief valve right here. This would be a pressure switch, like if you were using this tank for a water well, which I don't have. The water well, of course, when the pressure got down to a certain amount, it would trip the switch and it would start this pump. But I have to use a generator, and I just crank up the generator when I notice the pressure getting low. So then there's a T here, and the green hose right here is a hose bib. This goes to a outdoor propane operated shower. This goes to the travel trailer pressure connection. So this actually bypasses the travel trailer's water tank. And there's the connection right there, city water connection, pressure connection. So when I pump up that tank, you know, it's got water under pressure, and let's see if we can get it to work here. Well, I hear it. There you go. I don't know if I can get it going better than that. I must be getting low on pressure. Very impressive, yes. Well, let's go see what it's like inside the trailer. What's our pressure reading? Well, we're showing I don't know, about 37. That should be fine. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see in here. It's kind of dark. But this makes it nice because you don't have to turn on the battery-operated, you know, the electrics and the pump. Yeah, see, that's almost like being at home. Okay. So this pressure tank was a friend of mine, Lane Hall's idea, and it has just made things wonderful. It's allowed me to hook up this pressure propane shower, so I've got hot water on demand, and that's boiling me. Very nice. So we're here at Farrell's Bluff, primitive river camp, trying to be off-grid. If you'd like to call and talk about anything I've tried to do here, give me a call, 813-352-5011.